Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show or hide the libraries folder on Windows 11. As we know, libraries folder does not appear in every Windows. So let's get started. Press Windows plus E keys on your keyboard. Then tap on these three dots. Now go to Options. Now you have to move your cursor to View and click on it. Now scroll down. You have to click on this Show Hidden Files and Drives. Now scroll down. You will see here the option as you can see here, show libraries. Now click on it. Now press on apply option. Now click on OK. Now you will get the libraries folder here. Where it is, where it is. As you can see here, you can see the libraries folder here. So guys, this was an easy tutorial to how to show or hide your libraries folder on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.